In this video, we've got the 18-inch turntable from Copco. Now, this is fully Lazy Susan style, spins. It's got a very good lower ring, which is basically 12 inches wide, giving us only about 3 inches off. So it's got a lot of good balance to it, and it works out really, really well. Very stable, built to take a very good load. So we're going to load this up in this video and see how much we can get on it. Start with a couple of big jugs, and then we'll load it up with everything else we've got. Now remember, you can put anything you need on it or anything you want, and you can use it pretty much anywhere you're planning. So it can be under a cabinet, it can be in a pantry, it can be left on the table as is. Maybe you're doing something outside and barbecuing. You've got a lot of things you got to have out there. This could be the way to do it. Now the weight on it is pretty secure. You can load it right down. Here we are moving things around so we can make even more room so we can get more things on it. And there we go. Now it's all on actual metal ball bearings, so it allows you to spin in any which direction you need it to go. And it does the job really, really well. So it's very easy to use, very durable. I wouldn't carry it once it's loaded because, I mean, it is a rolling tray. It was meant to stay on the actual table or in a cabinet or wherever you plan on putting it. But after that, you unload it and you're good to go. It's definitely built for convenience and ease of use. That's the whole idea. The durability is really good. It's got a good solid plastic base to it, and it's got the non-skid rubber mat built into it. Very easy to wipe down and clean. You can even rinse it off with water because the mat is secured to the actual turntable. That is the actual Copco 18-inch. So for reference sake, let's compare it to a 12-inch because you're thinking 6 inches, but it's a lot. It's like going from a small pizza to an extra large. Definitely a lot of difference when it comes to size. And that's the 18-inch Copco. I hope this video helped you out today in your buying decision. Maybe I'll see you in the next video. Like I say, thanks for watching. Bye for now.